Hello students, you're watching Kashyap tutorial and myself Prabhakar Acharya. Students, this is another video based on unseen passage that is six part, and here I am going to discuss you slokas based questions. In the earlier video I discussed with you unseen passage, here is unseen poetry passages. So before that let me read the instructions given here. सो षष्ठ विभाग ये मेंशन नहीं होगा बट मैंने यहाँ पे लाया है कि ये भी षष्ठ विभाग का सेकंड पार्ट है एंड इट्स नंबर इज आ और पद्यांशम पठित्वा निर्दिष्टे कृति कुरुता मीन्स रीड द श्लोकास एंड डू द एक्सरसाइज डू द follow the instructions given below. So it is of 4 marks. Here two parts are there. So in English it is given, remember, a group of two or three unseen verses which can be understood very easily will be given. In A one, you will be asked to answer a questions in complete sentence and to give synonym or antonym for a word in the verse. In R2, you will be required to complete Jal Rekha Chitra. So these types of questions will be asked here. So read carefully slokas. If there is sandhi, break the sandhis to get the proper form and proper answer, and then start writing answers. So the sloka is here. It was from 8th standard, 8th standard में था, and I hope you remember this sloka. So sloka is नमामि शारदां देवीं विद्यारंभे सुमंगलां नरस्तस्याः प्रसादेन पांडित्यं लभते सदा. Once again, नमामि शारदां देवीं विद्यारंभे सुमंगलां नरस्तस्याः प्रसादेन पांडित्यं लभते sada. So this is the sloka. Here is explanation about the goddess Saraswati, and the writer is bowing down, means saluting goddess Saraswati at the beginning of his learning, his study, and he is telling that for auspiciousness he is saluting goddess Saraswati, he is praying goddess Saraswati, and he is also suggesting that the man becomes scholar because of her blessing. So ये श्लोकास है. Now see the questions. पूर्णवाक्येन उत्तरं लिखत. So the question is नरः शारदायाः प्रसादेन किं लभते. नरः शारदायाः प्रसादेन किं लभते, and I show you how to write the answers. मैं ये question ही copy करूँगा and then I tell you which word should be replaced. So answer will be, my answer will be उत्तरम. नरः शारदायाः प्रसादेन किं लभते. So just see here, नरः शारदायाः प्रसादेन पांडित्यम. So the question word will be replaced with answer word, that is पांडित्यम. So ये हमारा आंसर आएगा and I suggest you underline करो इसको. So ये पूरा क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स तो ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में है, सिर्फ आंसर वर्ड आया एंड इट मेक द एग्जामिनर्स विल बी, एग्जामिनर्स इजीली गेट द आंसर वर्ड और वो नेक्स्ट वर्ड क्वेश्चन पे जाएगा, उससे टाइम सेविंग होता है एंड यू विल गेट द मार्क्स एंड देयर विल बी नो एरर इन द आंसर्स बिकॉज रेस्ट वर्ड्स आर इन द क्वेश्चंस ओनली. सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ वेरी फर्स्ट. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज कवि ही काम नमति. कवि ही काम नमति. So here is its answer will be कभी काम नमति. इसका आंसर होगा, I show you answer of this. Here is one error. Let me correct this word. कवि ही. I show you where this word is in the answer is of this काम नमति, that means शारदाम नमति, शारदाम देवीम. So कभी काम नमति तो शारदाम देवीम नमति. ये हमारा आंसर वर्ड है. कभी शारदान देवीम नमति. चेंज द फुल क्वेश्चन मार्क विथ फुल स्टॉप और इसको अंडरलाइन करो आप, ये वर्ड को अंडरलाइन करो. नाउ Sorry, it I by mistakenly I have taken this answer word here. So मैं रिप्लेस कर देता हूँ. दिस इज एक्चुअली दिस क्वेश्चन. सो ये आएगा कभी ही शारदान देवी नमति. ना समानार्थक शब्दम लिखा था कृपया. तो कृपया ऐसा क्वेश्चन मीन्स समानार्थी शब्द will be प्रसादेन नरः तस्या प्रसादेन कृपया प्रसादेन. आई विल टेक दिस वर्ड नरः तस्याः प्रसादेन. तो यहाँ पे कृपया दिया है, इसका आंसर ये वर्ड है. Now come to Jal Rekha Chitram. Here is Padyansam Paritva Jal Rekha Chitram Purayata. Read the slokas carefully, bring each and every Sandhi word and then write the answer. So here is Shushrusa Sravanam Chaiva Grahanam Dharnam Tatha Uhapoha Artha Vijnana Tattva Jnanam Cha Dhi Gunaha. Once again see Shushrusa Sravanam Chaiva Grahanam Dharnam Tatha Uhapoha Artha Vijnanam Tattva Jnanam Cha Dhi Gunaha. So here is Dhi Guna. What are the Dhi Guna? Which are the dhi gunaha? The guna means the quality of intellect. So good intellect. So uhapoha is already written. Arth vijnanam is written. Tattva jnanam is written. So remaining words are shushrusa, shushrusa, so underline karo isko and put in the box only shravanam, shravanam and shravanam में mo आएगा because this the word here the word is alone shravanam and grahanam. Grahanam is another word. Underline it. And dharanam is the last word. Dharanam. These are the qualities. These are the sign of intellect. So ये हमारा आंसर है. Must underline the word. So these are the answers and just see मैंने डायग्राम वैसे ही रखा, इसी में लिखा और आपको ऐसे ही लिखना चाहिए. डायग्राम सेम होना चाहिए and make it with pencil, draw it with pencil or pen. So it clearly mention मसी लेखन्या ink or पुनः पूर्ण्या you can write means that is you can write even with the pen or pencil. So this is these are the answer of unseen passage. In very next video, I will discuss you another slokas based questions. So keep on watching, do writing practice, do revision every day, and get full marks in this way. So thank you watching my video, and please again I'm telling you share with your friends.